This is step four of the hamburger method. This is the breath work, and this is where we go through the different types of breathing. So let's start with circle breathing. If you've never heard of this before, if you've used apps like Calm or any of those mindfulness apps, quite often these are the ones where the circle goes in and out and you're just breathing like that. So it's literally in and out, but it's timed. And so it's timed in the fact that you're counting several, 3 or 4 and holding. You breathe in for 3 or 4 breaths and then breathe out for 3 or 4 counts. So let's try that. And remember, please to work to your own capacities. This is designed to make you feel safe. It's not designed to make you feel threatened at all. So let's crack on with it. So breathe in, breathe out, breathe in, breathe out, breathe in, breathe out. Let's try the triangle. So we breathe in, we hold, we breathe out. Breathe in, hold, breathe out. Breathe in, hold, breathe out. Breathe in, hold, breathe out. Let's try the box breathing. Let's breathe in, hold, breathe out, hold, breathe in, hold, breathe out, hold, breathe in, hold, breathe out, hold. Now let's try the alternative nostril breathing. So this is what you'll need your thumb for this one. So basically what you do is you hold your thumb, it fits perfectly, even when you've got long nails like me, perfectly into your nostril, and you just want to create a seal. That's all you're doing. And you're just breathing through this open nostril and breathe out. And remember, do this at your own pace as well. And then we switch to the other nostril. So you need your other thumb. So you can give this a go and just enjoy whatever breathing technique floats your boat. And remember, you're aiming for that. I've just had a fabulous day feeling. So we'll see you in step 5 in the next video.